Hello everyone, we are going to start online classes for you, and we are going to start the classes for third semester only. If you have any doubt while listening to online classes, just ask me in the comment section. We will try to clarify all your doubts. In the third semester, you have to choose your specialization, that is your elective: marketing, finance, or HR. You have to choose your specialization and listen to the classes as per your specialization only. There are 8 subjects in the third semester, 4 common, 4 electives. Now I am going to explain the syllabus. What are those 8 subjects? The first subject is organizational behavior. This is the common subject. It is common for all the groups: marketing, finance, HR. Organizational behavior is the first common subject. Second one is operations management. It is also common subject. The third one is strategic management. It is also common subject. Fourth one is e-business. So this is also common subject, and these 4 subjects are common for all electives. Coming to specializations, human resource management. Those who choose human resource management, that is HR, as their specialization, so these are the subjects for them. Human resource development is the first elective subject for HR people. Labor law, organizational development. The final one is international human resource management. So these 4 subjects for HR people. Coming to marketing specialization, so those students who choose marketing as their specialization, the first subject, first elective, consumer behavior and CRM. Advertising management is the second subject for them. Sales and distribution management is third subject for them. Production and brand management. And these 4 subjects for marketing people. Coming to financial management electives, the first subject is security analysis. Second one is financial markets and institutions. International financial management. The final one is corporate taxation and planning. So these are the 4 subjects for finance people. So there are 8 subjects, 4 common and 4 elective subjects. And now we are going to start the common subjects. Common subject. In the first session, I am going to start the common subject called e-business today. So this is the first common subject I am going to teach now. So in this common subject, there are 5 units are there. So introduction to e-business, e-business infrastructure, e-business applications, e-security, e-business web technologies. Now I am going to start the first